What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm actually going to be talking about, I said it in an earlier video, HTVRONT, Sublimation HTV. I got this off Amazon and I got it in glossy and matte, and I did a test run. I already made a few shirts with them for orders, but they're gone. So like I said, I'll leave the links to these, but I just wanted to do a quick video on it with the test shirt that I did. So they have matte and they have glossy. So I ordered them two, and here's my tester shirt. Just wanted to make a quick video on it. So that's the glossy. Now with these, when you do it on dark cotton, I have to put a white vinyl background on it. So I do the white vinyl first and then put these on top of it. But if you're just using a white shirt, you could just use the vinyl itself. You don't have to do another background vinyl. So that's how the glossy came out, and that's with the white background, and then that's the matte. And then I did one on here just to show it, and then that's when you just do the glossy just with the actual sublimation picture, the image on there. Obviously you could see that's why they need a white background. That's why I made them all square, so that I could show you with the actual white vinyl behind it. So I actually liked using it. When you have to use the white vinyl background, it thickens it up a little bit. It still works out. It still more or less feels like just a heavier vinyl, a thicker vinyl basically. The glossy, not as much. The matte has a more thicker feel to it. So this was my little test run I wanted to do to show you guys when I use this. I have used this for orders. I just wanted to do a video on it. Basically, this is when, like I said, how I use vinyl for certain things. If I'm, can't get full color transfers, or someone asked for a one-off shirt, that's what I did with these, was a one-off shirt that I had to do. So basically, they just wanted a picture of, they had like a regular photograph that they want to put on a shirt. So I ended up using this and using the glossy. And it actually made the picture look like a legit picture after it gets printed out. I sent them two examples. I sent them this example basically of the matte and the glossy, and they went with the glossy, which I think was the better pick. But this is another way that you could sublimate onto cotton using the HTVRONT. Hold it up here for you. I have the two here. The HTVRONT, the Sublimation HTV. So I will leave the links to this in the description. It's another easier way to do sublimation at home. Like I said in the last video where I'm talking about, different transfers and different ways to go about things. These are just easier ways that I make it for myself when I have one-off shirts to do. If anybody's using vinyl, I would definitely give this a try, because it's another way to go about putting images onto cotton shirts, which is, one of the problems when it comes to sublimation. So there's tons of ways out there that you could sublimate onto cotton shirts. Everybody's got new ideas now and new ways to do it. Basically, when I was coming into this, the only way that I was seeing was you had to do it on a polyester shirt. And there was, at that time, none of this stuff was really out when I started doing t-shirts a couple years ago. It sort of all started coming out afterwards. So I will leave the link. Go give these a try. It's very easy to use. It's just like any other vinyl. Basically, I just cut it on the Cricut to whatever image I'm doing, or like I said, if you're doing a picture, get the size of what your picture is, and then just cut it to the size of the white vinyl, to the size of that, and then you can go on to the white vinyl with it. If you're going on cotton, if you're doing just white shirts, you're not gonna have any problem. White cotton shirts, it's not gonna be an issue. It's only on these dark color shirts. So I hope this helped anybody out there. If you guys would like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna keep coming out with some more of this t-shirt content, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. All right, peace.